Hey there, it's Jess from Sally Tomato. Let's make some Valentine's Day inspired fairy bread. Fairy bread is traditionally covered with hundreds and thousands of sprinkles served at children's parties in Australia and New Zealand. Typically it's cut into triangles, but today we're going to cut it into heart shapes for Valentine's Day. Start by spreading butter or margarine over a slice of white bread. I placed the heart-shaped cookie cutter over my bread so that way I could fill the center with sprinkles. Traditionally, multicolored non-pearl sprinkles are used, but I found Valentine's Day colored sprinkles at the store. Another option is to place sprinkles on a plate and then put your slice of bread butter side down into the sprinkles so that way it will cover the entire slice of bread. Then you'll press down on the cookie cutter to remove the outer edges of the bread and cut them into heart shapes. This is such an easy and whimsical treat with only 3 ingredients. This recipe dates back to the 1920s in Australia, and it continues to be a favorite nostalgic treat. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and enjoy your dessert. Thanks for watching!